Hi, my name is Annie, and today I'm excited to share how you can combine these two community-focused platforms. You can engage your community by sharing all your Flipgrid topics directly in your classes at Teams. To start, log into your Flipgrid admin account at flipgrid.com. You can share any of your existing grids or topics, but for this example, let's say a teacher creates a new topic in a fourth period biology class to share to their class team. They're discussing cellular respiration, and they want to simply check their students' understanding thus far. Title the topic Cellular Respiration Check-In. Set the time limit to 30 seconds, and jot down a quick prompt. You'll see there are even more options with the new topic builder, but this is all you'll need to get rolling. So I'll click Create Topic. Immediately upon confirmation, all you need to do is click that snazzy Share to Teams button. Now you have a few options. You can either share to a channel in your class team or create an assignment. If you want all your students to participate, simply pick Assignment. If your students are familiar with Flipgrid, you won't need to set this up with much additional information. Simply pick a team and title it. 20 points sounds great, and Friday at 5 p.m. is plenty of time. You'll see the unique Flipgrid topic link is already filled in, and now all you need to do is click this. That's all. Your students have been notified via Teams. Build a more empowering, supportive, and amplified community by uniting the collaborative power of Teams and amplifying student voice with Flipgrid.